Now that you've made your zoodles and had your dinner, what are you going to do with these pieces that are left? Don't throw them away, because this is something that you could turn into some soup or throw it into the freezer, into a bag that could later be used for stock. You could also use this probably chopped up in a smoothie. It doesn't have a lot of flavor, but it is going to give you that fiber the same way if you added something like kale or spinach. So it'd be another substrate you could throw in there. Or you could just chop it up and roast it to eat. You could also eat this without cooking it at all and just slice it up, dip it in some hummus. I hope you use these tips to spread your budget even further. Shop local and eat smart.
This institution is an equal opportunity provider.